back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today's video is sponsored by WeQueen hair, and it is on this Kinky straight unit. And you guys, I'm in love. Like, you guys are gonna see in the next few clips and towards the end how obsessed I am with this unit, because I don't know if y'all can tell, but you can't tell me this isn't my hair. You can't tell me I didn't like go get a blowout and this is mine. Like, this texture, y'all, is like amazing. It's super soft and it's super thick. This is in 20 inches, so it's like, I feel like it's like a great natural length for this texture. And I believe the density is 150, which, as you guys, like I said, as you guys are gonna see in the next few clips, like, this hair is thick. Like, you don't need nothing more than 150 to get this, to make it look great. Okay, so onto the box. Like, when you receive this unit, you're going to, of course, get the wig, and it's gonna come in like a bag. You're gonna get wig caps, because who doesn't need some wig caps? You're going to get this. It's saying like a special gift for you when you purchase, I believe, well, when you do these steps right here on the back of the card, which is great. Right here, they send you like instructions on how to take care of the unit and just how to, you know, make it last super long. And that's all you get inside the package, which isn't much, but I feel like it's great because as long as you get the wig caps and the unit, you're good. So yeah, this unit is amazing. It doesn't shed. I haven't got any shedding. I'm gonna show y'all, I didn't pluck too much. It already came pre-plucked. And all I did was I installed it where it got to be. This is a glueless install. No glue for this. Wash it, blow dry it. You can straighten it. You can leave it in its natural state. But you don't need nothing. Like, I'm in love. That's all I gotta say. You guys are gonna love this unit. I hope you guys purchase it. And if you do, make sure you guys tag me in your pictures. Follow my Instagram below. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, like always, all the information will be down in the description box. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and turn on your post notifications so you guys can see my next few uploads, because I got videos coming, guys. I got some videos coming, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just keep watching, and bye. Alright, y'all, so straight out the package, this is what the unit looked like. I did go ahead and brush the unit out, but the hairline did come pre-plucked, as you can see, and it also came with pre-cut baby hairs, which is great. The construction is a 13 by 4, so you get a good middle parting space and like an inch or two on the sides. The lace is transparent, so my advice is to go in and tint it to your complexion. And also the knots look lightly bleached, but not too crazy. But I went in and bleached them about 2 to 3 more times just to my liking. But other than that, this is the hairline, and the unit looked great in my opinion. But in the next few clips, you're going to see me blow dry and straighten the unit. Okay, so right here is what the unit looked like after I washed it and I just let it semi-air dry. But I will be taking my Garnier Fructis. It's like a blow dry serum, and that's what I used, and I placed it on the hair like 1 pump per section, and I just went throughout the whole head and just took sections and blow dried it to my liking. Alright, y'all, so for straightening it, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time using the Garnier Fructis Heat Protectant Sleek Shine Spray, and I'm just going to part the hair just like I did with the blow drying, and just do it in sections and use the chasing method with my hot comb and my flat iron. Alright y'all, so this right here is the final product after I finished straightening through the entire unit. I did speed through the last clip and cut it short because I did take my time and it took me a while just to go through each and every piece because I wanted this look to be nice and sleek and get it as straight as I could, so I did go over it a few times. But as you can see, the hairline right here, I did go in and pluck just a little bit off camera. You definitely don't need to because it does come pre-plucked. But I just wanted to give it more of like, you know, a natural matches basically to my hairline. And yeah, here's the unit and just stay tuned for the install. Hey guys, so as you've seen by the previous clips, I washed, blow dried, and straightened this unit. And if you can tell, you can see like the texture and the original pattern is still in it, even though I straightened it pretty good. And with this install, if you guys know, like I normally do the bald cap and I normally use my Kiss Almighty Bond, but I think I just want to give my edges a break and just go back to what I normally used to do and like just throw on my cap. And I think I'm gonna just go in with the Got To Be Insta Hold like spray and make this a glueless install and see how that works. And I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the intro, but this is transparent lace, so to blend it, I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet. I have my Wig Dealer lace tint in the color Honey, and I also have been using this even tinted lace spray in medium brown. I'm not sure which one I want to do because like I said, it is transparent, so you can see it's kind of grayish white. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say that first instead of doing a voiceover, because voiceovers get kind of exhausting and that's what really takes me so long to upload because I never do the voiceovers. But yeah, so we're gonna see how this works out. And I don't know if I want to cut the lace off first. I'm gonna show y'all how this looks. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna cut the lace off first or do what I normally do and cut sections, but here's how it looks on. And this is what I mean, like I can wear it glueless, I think. I don't know. We'll see. But you guys will see in the next clip what I decide to do after I finish tinting the lace. So I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I ended up going in with my Wig Dealer lace tint in the color Honey. And right here I'm going to be using my wax stick just to get all the hairs out the way. And then I'm going to take my hot comb like I normally do and hot comb it all back. And in the next few clips you guys are going to see I ended up cutting all the lace off and installing it that way. And I don't want to talk too much because it's kind of self-explanatory what I do from here. So I hope you guys enjoy and I'll check in a little bit. So right here, you're going to see like I'm basically done with the install. I just started playing around with it. Like I said, this is a 13 by 4. So I was going to try to do a side part, but there's really limited parting space on the sides, and you're going to see me struggle to get that. So I just did a middle part and called it a day.